Hey guys, Sifat here. Welcome to my VSL Studio Review 2025. If you are an affiliate marketer, a video agency owner, or just a content creator looking to break into high-converting sales videos without needing complex editing software or expensive copywriters, this product is designed specifically for you. VSL Studio is an all-in-one platform that handles both the copywriting and the video production from a single dashboard. It not only builds your video visuals, but actually structures the sales argument for you. What stood out to me first was the psychological framework engine. You simply feed it a URL, a PDF, or a text prompt, and the AI instantly applies proven marketing frameworks to create a video script designed to convert viewers into buyers. But a sales video needs to look professional, right? That's where this tool really shines. It features 12 unique video styles to match any offer. You can stick to the classic dynamic stock footage, or get creative with 2D or 3D hybrid animation, whiteboard animation, and papercraft stop motion. If you need to explain data or tell a story, it has infographics and 2D character animation. For a more artistic look, you can choose digital cutout, fluid morphing, line art, or watercolor animation. It even includes the popular doodle sketch animation and a unique comic storyboard style. It handles everything: the script, the voiceover, the avatars, and the music. If at any point during this review you want to check out VSL Studio, click the link in the description below. Please like this video, it really helps out my YouTube channel, and I'd really appreciate it. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on bell notifications. Alright, let's not wait any longer. Let's see how VSL Studio works in action.
This is your demo of the VSL Studio platform. It's great. Once you log in, you'll see the dashboard first thing, and it's so simple. The section shows the different categories or styles of videos that you could create with VSL Studio. They're all right there. You have 12 different categories of videos, including dynamic stock footage, 2D, 3D hybrid animation, whiteboard, papercraft, stop motion, infographics, and a whole lot more. Now, this section is where you create your videos, right here. With VSL Studio, you could create videos using several different methods. All right, and the first one is very, very easy and very effective. You simply paste the URL of the website or landing page that you want to have the video made about. In other words, the content within that URL, within that web page, will be reflected in your video. Now, the second method is adding your prompt, which can be as detailed or as simple as you want. So in other words, you just type what you want it to do. For upload, you simply upload your PDF or Google Doc that has some information about your business or about the actual video that you want to make. For scenes, you can actually add a description to each scene that will be 8 seconds long. You could add additional scenes to fit the video length that you want. And this way you can customize your video a little more manually. Okay, so now select the style of video by clicking on the style. If you click on the dynamic stock footage, for instance, it will show right here. If I click right now on the 2D, 3D hybrid animation, it will switch. Then select the voice that you want, the duration, and if you want the resolution to be horizontal or vertical. Okay, now in other words, you could do an up and down video or a left-right video. Now the advanced setting allows you to turn on captions, select where you want them to be placed and the caption style, along with selecting which language if you have that. The voiceover will be in whatever language you choose, should you have that capability in your particular purchase. Using the URL as an example, I've opened a Roto-Rooter Plumbing Company website. To create a video for this company, I just grab their website URL, just paste it in the URL field, then I pick a category that I want. I'm searching for a male voice for the voiceover, and to hear the voice before selecting, you could click the play button. All right, I'm selecting Thomas, and 36 seconds duration, and horizontal, and then generate. And you can see how simple and easy this is to do. That's all I did. Once you click generate, you'll see a pop-up message in the upper right that states that your video is in the queue. And then in the output area, it shows the percentage of the rendering process that has taken place. Now, once the rendering is done, simply click on the video to view it. Click on the 3 dots and you could download it from here. Now, for prompt, you can enter a simple, well, very basic prompt describing the type of video that you want to create, or you could be as detailed as possible. I will add, create a video about how to start a new online business right now. And that's it. I just wrote, create a video about how to start a new online business. And I'll select line art animation and Rachel for the voice with 36 seconds duration and horizontal resolution, and then I'll generate. Now, while that is generating, you could create another video. Say you reached out to a local business and they gave you a detailed PDF about the company. You could upload the PDF in this section and select the style that you want and complete your other selections and then generate this one. Next is scenes. Now, the concept here is to build your video sales letter scene by scene with full control over messaging, visuals, and pacing. Now, I'll walk you through creating 2 scenes. The information for the first scene is thinking of starting an online business, and the second scene is you can start an affiliate marketing business and grow it to 6 figures in the space of 12 months. Now I click save and you can see that 2 scenes are added. Then I select the category. In this case, the scenes take care of the timing, and therefore I can't choose a video length. But the rest of the process selection is the same. As you can see, this is a very simple and easy platform to use and navigate. The rendering is fast, the videos are eye-catching, and built-in persuasion is there. Thanks for watching this demo of VSL Studio.
Alright, let's take a closer look at the pricing structure and the entire sales funnel for VSL Studio. After that, I will share my honest thoughts on what I like about VSL Studio and what I don't like about it, so you can easily decide whether VSL Studio is the right fit for you. So, let's get straight to the point. There are essentially 2 ways to buy. You can get the main software and add optional upgrades, or you can get everything at once with the bundle deal. First up is the main software called the front-end offer, which costs a one-time fee of $47. This is the core cloud-based suite that gives you 1,000 monthly credits. This allows you to generate about 10 standard videos at 70 seconds each. You get access to 6 video styles, 720p quality, and the ability to create videos from URLs, prompts, or uploads. Now, if you want to unlock more creative power, you'll need to look at OTO1 VSL Studio Pro, which is $67. This upgrade unlocks the scenes mode for manual customization, giving you total control over the video structure. It also adds multilingual support so you can sell in other languages, and the impressive voice cloning feature to use your own voice without recording. For those interested in longer, higher quality videos, there is OTO2 VSL Studio Business for $97. This extends your maximum video length up to 105 seconds, which is crucial for deeper sales pitches. It also gives you priority rendering, moving you to the front of the queue, so your videos are finished much faster. Then we have the ultimate creative upgrade. OTO3 is the Studio Booster for $127. This doubles your capacity with an extra 2,000 credits per month. Most importantly, it unlocks 6 additional premium video styles, including complex animations like fluid morphing, digital cutout, and watercolor ink reveal, bringing your total to 12 styles. Finally, there is the bundle deal, which costs $167. This is the all-in-one package that includes the front end plus all the upgrades I just mentioned: Pro, Business, and the booster styles at a significant discount compared to buying them separately. Just a quick reminder, to access any of these upgrades individually, you must purchase the front-end software first. Alternatively, you can purchase the VSL Studio bundle to access all features in one package. Alright, now let's talk about what I like about VSL Studio and what I don't like about it. First, here is what I really like. The biggest win for me is the sales logic behind the AI. Honestly, most AI video tools are kind of dumb. They just scan your text for keywords and slap a random stock clip of a handshake or a sunset on top, right? But VSL Studio feels different because it actually understands marketing. Whether you need a high-urgency video for a Black Friday sale or a story-based video for a testimonial, the AI actually writes the script using proven frameworks. It saves a ton of time because it isn't just making a video. It's basically acting as your copywriter and building a sales argument for you. I also love the variety of visual styles. Let's be real, we've all seen enough generic stock footage videos to last a lifetime. They get ignored. But this tool lets you use styles like hand-painted animation, papercraft stop motion, or even that cool comic book look. That is huge for social media because it creates a pattern interrupt. You aren't just making noise. You're creating content that actually stops the scroll. And finally, I have to mention the speed. The fact that you can take a client's existing sales page URL, paste it in, and have a fully produced video ready in under 10 minutes is a game changer for agencies. You can fulfill orders instantly without hiring a video editor or a professional copywriter, and you get to keep 100% of the profit. However, let's keep it real, it's not all perfect. Here is what I don't like. The video length limits. On the front-end version, you are capped at roughly 70 seconds per video. While that's perfect for Facebook ads, TikToks, or YouTube shorts, it is a bit short if you're trying to make a full-blown, deep-dive sales letter. You really need the business upgrade to get that extended 105-second duration, and even then, this tool isn't built for making 20-minute documentaries. My second concern is the credit system. It calculates usage based on duration, so a short video might cost 50 credits, but a longer one costs 100. While the 1,000 credits you get at the start is a decent amount, if you are a heavy user or you run a busy agency, you are going to burn through that allowance pretty fast. You'll likely need to grab the bundle bump or a recurring upgrade eventually to keep up with demand. And lastly, the funnel structure. Just like a lot of software launches these days, some of the absolute coolest features like the voice cloning and the premium styles like the watercolor reveal are locked behind the upgrades. The front-end version is capable, sure, but if you want those really high-end, artistic animations that make people say, wow, you have to pull out your wallet for the OTOs. That's why I usually recommend just looking at the bundle deal if you can, so you get the full experience without hitting paywalls later on. So, what is my final verdict on is VSL Studio actually worth it in 2025? To answer that, I have to be completely honest about who this is actually for. If you are a professional filmmaker expecting Hollywood-level cinematography or needing to make 30-minute long documentaries, you are probably going to be disappointed. It's not designed to replace Adobe Premiere or a human film crew for long-form content. However, if you are an affiliate marketer, a local consultant, or a product creator looking for the fastest way to turn text into sales assets, this is an absolute no-brainer. Think about it this way. To hire a copywriter to write a VSL script costs hundreds. To hire an animator to make a papercraft-style video, that's thousands. With VSL Studio, you are getting the copywriter, the voiceover artist, and the animator all in one dashboard. Even if you only use it to turn your old blog posts into YouTube shorts, or create one promo video for a client, the software has already paid for itself 10 times over. The smart frameworks alone make it worth the entry fee. The fact that it automates the persuasion part, not just the visual part, means you can stop worrying about what to say, and just let the AI sell for you. So, my final verdict. For the low one-time price, the value here is massive. It's a conversion machine for anyone wanting to generate sales videos quickly without the technical headaches. If you're ready to upgrade your video marketing, I'd say give it a shot. You've got very little to lose and a whole lot of profit potential to gain. That's my honest take. So if you're ready to get started, the next step is simple. Click the first link in the description below this video to get to the official website. If this review helped you out, please hit that like button. It makes a huge difference. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll be in there answering them. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews like this one. Thank you so much for watching. This is Sifat, and I'll see you in the next video.